Ready for a better and closer shave? Meet the Naked Armor Safir Straight razor, built for men who take shaving seriously. Built with a 7/8-inch full hollow blade forged from Acro Japanese stainless steel, hardened to 62 to 63 HRC for exceptional sharpness and retention. The iconic Barber's notch gives you superior detail control, ideal for shaping beards, mustaches, and tight lines. Paired with sandalwood scales and a resin line inset, the Safir feels timeless, balanced, and crafted to admire. Feel the difference. A shave that's smooth, close, and irritation-free, even through thick growth.
I feel that's gone through smooth and quick.
Inside the box, everything you need for the perfect shave. Men everywhere are making the switch, and they're not going back. Upgrade your shave. Own the Naked Armor Safir Straight razor today.